Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It is Friday, March the 10th. It's about 6 o'clock Central Standard Time, and as usual, get the report done early on Friday so we can quit early and go have a nice weekend. So let's take a look real quick. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and some possible areas of consolidation. And if we look at yesterday and moves and what we talked about at market profile, you can see we came down to that 54 area, and as was expected, got a good bounce. I mean, and if you look at the overall market profile, which we will do later, you can see exactly where it bounced and where we've been talking about it, for the last week or two. And so we've pretty much nailed this. So let's look last night. We had the open here at the 2367.50, and it was just nothing but straight up with it. Stayed above the VWAP all the way up. We've got overnight highs right now of 76.50, a little bit of pullback. Man, we probably expect this thing to pull back towards the 72 area, at least for some profit taking. Come open market open time, who knows? They could just drop this market back down to the open area, and so everybody can join and get back in this move to the upside, or they can just move back to this previous zone of 71 and then bounce off of here. So be prepared for that and the upside. So we'll just continue that. So after it bounces back, it comes right there. Look for the move right on up to the next zone. If these bulls really step in and this momentum steps up, looking to move right up to the 73, or excuse me, the 2378 area, and then pull back a little bit to retest the 76. Then look for it to move up into this 82, 84 zone, maybe a little bit of pullback. And I just don't know how much more we can go on a Friday afternoon, but this market just keeps surprising us. So we do have targets moving up into the 88 and 90, and of course the 2400 after that. Let's don't. I don't expect that today after the move yesterday, but you got to be prepared for it. And in every one of these zones, be prepared for a reversal. And these sellers will step in and try to bring this market back down, as far as they're concerned, back down and put under control. Now, if we can manage to get down to the open and close below it, and then look for this overnight low right here of 2366.25, if we can get below that, we're probably going to come down to this 63.75 area, go back up and retest it, look for this consolidation in here. But if we can close again below that after the retest, come back below here, look for us to move back into this zone. Obviously, we're going to come back and retest this zone after that is 63. But then after that, look for it to come down to this zone here at the 57.25 to 55. Now, it might even squeak all the way down here, and we're going to get a strong reversal with a double bottom here. It may not go straight up like it did yesterday, but it will definitely come up a zone or two, and before they try to step in and stop this thing. So be careful. If sellers really step in after about a zone and push down, now we're looking to move down, and this next zone is 50, 45, and it could just get out of control for this weekend. So just be real cautious. All right. If you've got any questions, let me know. So we're going to move on to market profile. As we look here, this is the 4-hour chart. You can see we came down to that 2360 area, right down to this. The tail come down to just above this 45, 46 area, which we've been talking about, right in this area. And this is where it got its bounce. So this was expected. So this is just a pullback, back up. Now, as long as it stays above this line and above this consolidation area here, 68, we could drive right back up to this 99 area with no problem at all. First stop probably around that 82. So 82 could be an easy target today. Also be aware we had contract rollover. Some people are still trading the March contract. Others have rolled over. But if we close back down below this 60, watch out below again, and we can move all the way back here to this 2312. Of course, we talked about this. Stops it at this 46 level and the 30 level, 20 level. So be cautious as it does that. So let's look at the daily chart real quick. As you can see, even the body of the candle stayed right there at 60. The tail went down to this 51 area right in here on a continuous contract, but the body held this 2360 and bounced off of it. So this is a good little pullback. We're looking to drive right back up to the 90 level on this chart and then on up to the 26. So there you are. Be cautious and be careful. And if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great weekend.